My brothers and sisters, it's not easy to be a revert. The challenges faced by reverts and the difficulties they have to deal with are unique. Each one has a story to tell. Sometimes sit and listen to some of these stories in order to show you how privileged you are and in order to help you realize how to reach out to these brothers and sisters of ours, all from different backgrounds, from different families. They love their families too. In most cases, they have communities. It's not easy when you know, I'd like to say my Shahada, I'd like to be, for example, a Muslim, revert to Islam. It's not easy. Don't take it for granted. When people have done that, congratulations to you. We apologize for not being able to be there for you the way we should be for you. There are 2 or 3 different aspects of this particular topic. One is from the revert himself or herself. Don't expect people to help and assist. Lower your expectations from community and from people around you. Secondly, people may bombard you about what you need to change so quickly, whereas they won't think about where you were and how far you've come. So Allah appreciates what you've done. You know what? Block your ears from the noise that people are making. Otherwise, you will become disheartened, and perhaps in their excitement to see you do the right things, they don't realize your scenario, your situation, who you live with, your circumstances. Allah alone knows exactly what you're going through. So deal with this difficulty by seeking the help of Allah alone. Really, we as human beings and we as Muslims, in many instances we have failed the reverts because we go too hard on them and we tell them too many things, especially in this age of social media, without understanding who exactly the person is, where they came from, what about their family, their parents, their siblings, their condition, the situation they're in. They could be alone, and now that they've reverted, they might be even more alone. It's not easy for a revert to go to the masjid sometimes when everyone's going to just look and wonder. But when they wanted to say the Shahada, people were quick to, MashaAllah, Allahu Akbar, Takbir, and so on. Don't have a big circle, because sometimes people begin to judge. They become judgmental, like I said, without knowing where you were and how far you've come. I know practicing Muslims who've hardly moved an inch in the last so many years in terms of their growth. And I know people who were weak and they've moved kilometers over years. And yet some of those who were practicing still belittle them. But who did the movement? You know, subhanallah, this is Allah. And sometimes people go backwards. May Allah protect all of us. So the Ramadan and Eid, sometimes when there's a death in the family, you may have to attend, depending on who it is, certain do's and certain don'ts. And some people will be so hard on you and they'll tell you, you're not allowed to go. But that's my mother. You are allowed to go. It's my father. I loved him so much. You are allowed to go. You should go. And you should, offer them a good word of condolence and sympathy. And subhanallah, you may cry too. It's normal. That is a natural love. The Prophet ﷺ shed tears as well at certain times. And he was saddened in certain times. When his uncle Abu Talib passed away, he was sad. He was very sad. Sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So some of these challenges, not so easy to go through with the help of Allah. And inshallah, today I'm calling on the other side. Those who are practicing, those who are born Muslim, or those who've been Muslim for a while and you're in a circle, try and look out for those who have reverted. Help them get married. Help them to understand the deen. Don't go too hard on them. Make things easy for them. Talk to them. See their circumstances. And get help and guidance from those who know and they've been dealing with reverts for a long time. Find an organization or find a masjid where they have a department that they deal with reverts in. And inshallah, you will enjoy the journey.